student open at page number 33. Open at page number 33. Acha, you will just shake your head when I will ask you something. Okay, Oishi beta, I am coming. Wait. Oishi, Enakshi, I have not started the class yet, and you have started to say your doubt. Okay, what happened? Just wait for a minute. Acha, if you are able to see the screen, just shake your head. If you are able to see the screen, okay. And Shirin, who is there with you? No. Acha, okay. Now look at this. Acha, I am just showing you the first page. Okay. Look at this. Everybody open at page number 33. Acha, first, I'll say the answer. Okay, but there will be a homework. Let me say that one first. What is your homework? Acha, for 1 to 10, I will say the answer of every question. Okay, each and every question. And your homework will be from this puzzle box, you will have to find that answer. Okay, basically I'll say you the answer. Suppose Gateway of India, Mumbai. Yes, to yes or no? Shake your head. Oishi, Gateway of India, Mumbai. Good. Acha, now look at this. What you will have to do, you will have to find out where Mumbai is here. Okay, from this box, you will have to find out Mumbai and you will have to make a box. Okay, got it or not? All the student? Noras? Shuvangi? Okay. Now let me first say the answer. Everybody, you will have to write it in your copy, not in book. All of you take out your copy. Everybody take out your copy. Achha, have you understood to what to do in home? At home, what you will do, Ankita, Mousha, Anushka? Have you got it though? Basically, suppose for the fifth one, Sandalwood city. Which state is known as, or which city is known as Sandalwood city? Basically, the answer is Mysore. Okay, where is Mysore? Look, for fifth one, here it is Mysore. Yes. So I am just making a rectangular box. Okay. So that means the same thing you will have to do. Here you will have to find the place. It is your homework. By pencil, you will do it at home in your book. Okay. But now in your copy, you will write these answers. Okay, everybody. Put the date. Put today's date. Mousha, where are you? I am unable to see. Put today's date. Now mention chapter number, chapter 29. Just what to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way you will write. Only the answer you will write. Okay, no need to write the question. Gateway of India, no need to write. All the student understood? Shampriti? Just 1, then the answer. Right? Mumbai. The second one, next one, Garden City. Garden City. Which one is known as Garden City? Parijat? I am telling you, I am giving you two options, Bengaluru or Kerala. Which one? Bengaluru. Acha, okay. Sharanya, Ashia, is the answer correct? Raisa Nushaiba, the answer is correct. Bengaluru, acha. Now write the second one. Number 2, just answer. Now the third one. Lake City. It will be Udaipur. Okay, just write the third one, Udaipur. Sorry. Now the fourth one, Sun City. Fourth one, Sun City. Which one is known as Sun City? That will be Jodhpur. Number fourth one. Then fifth one, Sandalwood City. That one I already told, Mysore. Now the sixth one. Sixth one, Spice Garden of India. Spice Garden of India. That is Kerala. Okay. Next, the seventh one. City of Joy. Acha, whom I will ask, he or she will be answerable. City of Joy. You should know this one. What will be the answer? Bahia. Seventh one, City of Joy. Afrina, Ashif Mullah. Yes, Afrina say City of Joy. Calcutta. Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Right, Kolkata. Okay. The new name. Okay. Now, the eighth one. What is given in eighth one? City of the Golden Temple. Already you learned about Golden Temple. It will be what? Amritsar. Yes. Sushnata, Vaya. Acha, okay. Next one, 9. Ninth one, Oishani Obhipsha is there. Somdatta, Shoikot, Paushali, Farzana. Okay. Are you writing? Acha, okay. Anjum, what will be the ninth one? Sugar Bowl of India. I am giving you 2 options. It will be Uttar Pradesh or West Bengal. If you applied your common sense that it should not be West Bengal, that's why Uttar Pradesh. Oishani, Obhipsha, acha, you both are not there na? Yes. Yes, now I can see both of you. Okay, good. So, write the ninth one. What will be its answer? Uttar Pradesh. Now the 10th one. Acha, there is no space, not enough space. That's why I'm telling the 10th one verbally. You will have to just write it in your copy. The 10th one is given Emerald Land. Which one is known as Emerald Land? Okay, now I'll also give you 2 options. Okay. Acha, before that, at first confirm up to 9 all of you completed or not. Acha, Sheikh Aran, Anushka, Shaud Loskor, Vajid, keep your camera on, beta. Sharnakshi, Shifatak, Shayon, Bonusri, Deeptashi, keep your camera on, beta. Sorry. Bonusri, any network issue, beta? Then keep your camera on. Okay, Shayon, Shornakshi, Ashmit. Okay. What will be the last answer? Bonoshri? Again say. Very good. Goa. Is the answer correct? Ashmit? Okay, write down this one. The 10th one, everybody note it down. There is not enough space. Okay, I'm writing over there. Okay, now write this one. All the students completed up to this though. Then only I'll move for the next chapter. Chapter 30. Acha, Paushali, Trisha, have you got to? Shomodip, what is your homework? Farzana, Meheria, Spondon. Basically, homework, you have got the answer. You have written the answer in your copy. To Mumbai, Bengaluru, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Mysore, Kerala, Kolkata, Amritsar, Uttar Pradesh, and Goa. You have to find out the answers from this puzzle box. Okay. From this box only, you will have to find out the answer from this given box. Understood though? What is your homework? From this box only, you will have to find out the answer and you will have to, suppose Amritsar, look at this. In this way, I am making a box. Got it? So here is your answer. You can write. Anuvab, I am not here to see you fan. Okay, I want to see you. Yes. Acha, now one by one, just say whether you have done or not. Or you can send me hand raise sticker. You can raise your hand. Shirin, Shampriti, Ashia, I am moving for the okay. Huh. Anju, Moishani, Obipsha, Sharanya, Nusaiba, Raiza, Shubhangi, Shampriti, Sheikh Irfan, Sheikh Arhan, Ashif, Moushi, Mousha. Okay. Shulagna, done. Acha, okay. Then I am moving for the next chapter. Okay. Farzana, I am moving for the next chapter. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Next one. Acha, one more thing where you will submit your homework. Basically, homework means here you will just make the box though. You will click, you will take a photo and you will submit it in the assignment section. Okay, I'll create a blank assignment where it will be written homework submission of chapter 29. Then you will submit your homework in that blank assignment. Got it or not? Understood? Okay. Now the next one, look. Utility box is given over there. Okay. And you will have to write the correct answer. You will have to find out the correct answer from this utility box. Okay. Look at this. The first one. Where is Indira Gandhi International Airport located? Everybody should know this one. Very famous airport is this. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who can say the answer? Raiza, yes. What will be the answer? New Delhi. Okay, is the answer correct? Bonusri? Yes or no? Shake your head whether the answer is correct. Okay. Whom I'll ask, only he or she will answer, huh? Okay, so everybody, acha, this one also write it in your copy. In chapter 30, then number 1, no need to write the question, huh? Don't write the question. Just what to write, you will have to write the answer. Just one, then write New Delhi. Acha, do you know exactly the name, exactly where it is situated in New Delhi? Anjum? Palam, okay. Acha, no need to write that one, just write New Delhi. New Delhi. Number 1, New Delhi. Somdatta beta, keep your camera on. Spandon, are you writing or not? Okay. Number 2, second one. Look, where is? No, Spandon. Keep the camera in such a way so that I can see you better. I cannot see you. Yes, in this way. Exactly. Right now it is okay. Shaumadip Gorui. If you are not there, then I'll have to remove you beta. Now it is okay beta. Shaumadip, sit and keep the camera in a proper place. Okay. Acha, now next one. Let me read the second one. Sorry. Where is Minambakam Airport located? What will be the answer? It will be it is located at Shey Somdatta, are you able to answer it? You should know this. Tamil Nadu. Write this one. Now the third one. Who can say the third one? Parijat, what will be answer of the third one? Where is Sir International Airport located? Say beta. Okay. I think Devashmita, yes. Say. Show it properly in front of the camera, beta. Maharashtra. Is the answer correct? Shirin, Raiza, Oishani, Sushnata. Is the answer correct? Noraz? You don't know, beta? The correct answer? Acha, okay, beta, no issue. Write this one, huh? Very good, those who have given the correct answer. Now look, number 4th one. Acha, where is Paradip Port located? The 4th one. This is very easy, na? Odisha. Okay, Noraz beta, keep your camera on, huh? And Azjadur. Azjadur, where are you? Just now I told you I am here to see you, not your fan wall. Okay. So if you are not there, then I will have to remove you. Meheria. Okay, now write this one. Now 5th one. Where is Visakhapatnam port located? Visakhapatnam. Where? Say Somnatta, Andhra Pradesh. Good. Okay, write this one. Andhra Pradesh. Now the sixth one. What is given in sixth one? Bonusri beta, keep your camera on, huh? Bonusri?
Kerala, I think. That's what I guess.
No, the answer will be Maharashtra. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Acha, now you can unmute yourself and say what is the answer of sixth one? Basically, it is
Maharashtra.
Exactly. Acha.
Sevaport.
Exactly. Acha. Now seventh one, Damdam International Airport.
West Bengal. West Bengal. West Bengal.
Okay, now the eighth one.
International Port in Kolkata.
Acha.
Kerala.
Ninth one. Acha, now ninth one.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Very good.
Tamil.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, Naru.
Tamil Nadu. What is Tamil? Huh?
Ma'am, I have
Okay, now everybody.
Ma'am, Naru Tamil.
No, beta. Don't do this. Acha, okay, now everybody. I'm sharing the screen, huh? Yes, say beta.
I have a doubt.
What doubt you have? You just told me that in utility box only Maharashtra is given only one time, but two Tamil Nadu is given, right? Acha, there is a mistake in utility box. Here, two Maharashtra. There should be two Maharashtra also. Because if you count, look at this. Everybody, there are 9 questions. Look, there are 9 questions. But in the utility box, if you count, look at this. 8 state is given. Na? How is it possible? If there are 9 questions, so there should be 9 state. Yes, Tom. So, yes, maybe one state is for 2 answers. For 2 questions, there is only one common answer. But look, here are 2 questions. For that 2 questions, Tamil Nadu will be the common answer. That's why 2 times Tamil Nadu is given. The same thing also for Maharashtra. 2 times we will also get Maharashtra. Okay, that's why one Maharashtra should be there. Now look, 9 question, 9 answer. Na? Now is it clear? If yes, then shake your head. If yes, then shake your head. Acha, okay. So in the box, you can just put a comma and you can write here Maharashtra, okay, in that utility box. Got it? Now I think the problem has been solved. Yes, Tom? Okay, now note down 6, 7, 8, 9. Just now I have asked you. Note down 6, 7, 8, 9. Sixth one, Maharashtra. Seventh one, West Bengal, basically in Kolkata, okay? And the airport, its name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, okay? That Damdam Airport, Damdam International Airport, okay? It is West Bengal. This one, the 8th one, Kerala. And the 9th one, that will be Tamil Nadu. Now I think it is clear. To Tamil Nadu, that's why given, huh? For the second one, also it is Tamil Nadu, and for the 9th one, also it is Tamil Nadu. That's why 2 times Tamil Nadu is given. Now, Ashia, Shampriti, it is clear? Nusaiba? Okay. And also same thing, Maharashtra. For the third one and for the sixth one. For both of these, the answer is Maharashtra. That's why 2 times Maharashtra. But it is given 1 time only. You just put a comma and write by pencil Maharashtra. Got it? Is it clear to everybody? Okay. Somdatta, Ankita, Sushnata, Shulagna, Oishani, Obhipsha, Anjum. Done to? Okay. Acha, now next chapter. Chapter 31. Acha, already it is 12:20 na? We don't have enough time for this. So first, everybody, there is the utility box and you should know this, right? This person, there are outstanding women in India, okay? Acha, who is related to which profession? That one I'll explain tomorrow. Just today, just you can write the name, okay? First one, Iram Chanu, Shamila. Look at this. Here is the name. First one. Second one, all of you know who? Kalpana Chawla, right? Yes, so. Third one, just today let me say this one. Tomorrow again I'll explain this chapter. Because Kalpana Chawla is related to which profession or which thing, okay? And the third one, Chanda Kochar, right? Fourth one, Nirja Bhanut. Fifth one, Kiran Bedi. Sixth one, Sunita Williams. Seventh one, Sarojini Naidu. Eighth one, Indira Gandhi. Okay, now listen. Tomorrow I'll write the name and I'll say in which profession, in which game they are related. Okay, they are famous for which profession. Understood though? All the students, now let me take the attendance and let me check your copy.